Bringing AI everywhere starts with Intel.
AI is the latest technology trend which is getting adopted by all enterprises. Whether it's a mundane task of data entry or an extremely important task of customer experience, AI is finding its sweet spot in most enterprises in India. With the innovation of greater compute power, which is getting integrated to edge devices, enterprises are able to adopt AI to ensure that they give their customers the best experience or bring in predictability into their business. Acer and Intel has a very strong partnership of roughly 4 decades plus. Intel has always been on the forefront when it brings the best compute technology into the world. Acer, with its strong R&D platform of Taiwan base, has been able to bring out the best devices based on Intel's compute power. Together, Intel and Acer has been always in the forefront to bring out the latest technology to the human. We have always partnered with Intel to ensure that whatever the latest compute they launch, whether it was 2 decades back on the Centeno platform or it is on the AI platform at the current date, we have always succeeded in bringing the best product right at the go when Intel launches it. So I feel this technology partnership will really go a long way in the compute world. AI is all about mechanizing the human brain. So very true to that, our AI-based servers and workstations are called the BrainSphere. They are powered by the latest Intel AI-based solutions on Core i, on Xeon W and Xeon Scalable platforms. Latest Intel Arc Pro GPUs have been used on our workstations, and some of our workstations scale up from 1 to 4 GPUs on that front. We have also co-developed with Intel some of the workstations which are very unique, which has the AI scalable platform of Intel, which helps the users to deploy vast amount of services across various users or various applications. Until 4 decades, AI was always in the cloud or at the applications. Today, with Intel's compute, we are able to bring AI to the edge devices. When I say the edge devices, it can be the servers, the workstations, or the PCs. By bringing the compute of AI into the edge platform, we are able to reduce the latency what a user faces while working on remote locations. We are also in a world where we need to go on a sustainability mode. Intel's compute not only gives high power, but also goes low on energy consumption. By having a higher compute and lower energy consumption, together we are able to bring in more sustainable products for the latest AI applications. With this, we will be able to give the users the best of both the worlds, both in terms of sustainability, scalability, and even security matters. Intel has always been Acer's best partner to go whenever it comes to the most innovative solutions for the customers in requirement. We had a recent case study with which the IIT Guwahati had to have servers which were used for the analytics of climate changes. Acer and Intel co-partnered in completing a complete data center on climatic change, which was used by various geologists for the study of climate. We have partnered with Intel on various academias in installing the high-performance compute servers and AI servers for the innovations and development centers.
Bringing AI everywhere starts with Intel.